Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device, and once it is opened up, if you haven't logged into your account already, use your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can start posting your stories directly. Now, in order to change your email address, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then from your profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now you will find your settings options. From the settings option, hover over to email and tap on it. And now if you haven't already verified your email address, then you will need to verify your email first. So just open up your email address and tap on the link within to activate your email address first. And once your email address has been activated, when you tap on the same option, you will be allowed to change your email. From this page, you can simply type in your preferred new email address and then tap on the change button, and you will once again be asked to enter the verification code or tap on the link that has been sent to your new email. Once you tap on the link from your new email address, your email address on Snapchat will be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.